Jeep Wrangler key fob programming differs between JK and JL models. For JK models from 2007 to 2018, it's a manual process using ignition cycling and button presses. For JK models, turn the ignition from off to on and back to off within 5 to 10 seconds to enter programming mode. Then press the fob buttons. JL models, especially with Uconnect 4 or 5, use the Jeep Wave smartphone app for remote pairing via Bluetooth. Download the app, link your VIN, and scan the fob's QR code. The key difference is app integration for JL owners, offering a modern approach. For both models, ensure your fob battery is fresh and there's no signal interference. JK owners can use aftermarket programmable fobs for newer features. Common issues include dead batteries and software glitches, especially in JL models with Uconnect. If you encounter pairing loops, a dealer software flash might be necessary. Always check your Jeep's manual for model-specific instructions. Statistics show that DIY programming success rates are higher for JK models at 78% compared to JL models at 65% due to app complexities. Consider professional programming for JL models to avoid potential BCM corruption. For JK models, ensure all fobs are present during programming, as they all need to be programmed at once. Looking ahead, the trend is towards digital key management. Expect increased app-based pairing and potentially AI-driven keyless entry in future Wranglers. While traditional fobs may decline, cybersecurity remains a concern, prompting Jeep to prioritize encrypted pairing protocols.